The problem with text-to-speech in AI voice generation is that you don't have much control over the speed of the speech generated.
It was always spoken with the same cadence.
But that was until ElevenLabs released the speed control feature for your text-to-speech, allowing you to either make it slower or faster. And I'm going to look at that today, and we're also going to be looking at the old school methods to add pauses in as well, because that's what you used to have to do. So ElevenLabs, here we are, and if you don't have an account, by the way, it's going to be the first link in the description down below. So as you can see, we've got some very simple text here, and if I click generate speech,
let's see what happens when I type some text into ElevenLabs and look to change the speed of the voice.
As you can see, very simple pace, normal pace, but imagine I wanted this to be a little bit slower. Well, on the right here, in the tools, all I have to do is drag this down from 1, and I can bring it all the way down to 0.70, right? But let's say I want it 80, a little bit slower, but not too much. I have to regenerate it.
Let's see what happens when I type some text into ElevenLabs and look to change the speed of the voice.
As you can see, that's a lot slower, and it's currently sitting at 6 seconds. But let's say I want to get through this text fast. Well, what I'd have to do is go and move this up all the way to the max, which is 1.2, and I regenerate it.
Let's see what happens when I type some text into ElevenLabs and look to change the speed of the voice.
As you can see, we've gone to 4 seconds, and I'm pretty sure if I regenerated a few times, I could get that down to 3, because I did when I was testing it out before the video. But let's say I want it to go fast, but I want a break in the middle without having to bring the audio into an editor. Well, there's a couple of ways to do this. So the best way, and the one I recommend, is the break time syntax. This actually creates an exact and natural pause in the speech, and you can actually adjust the seconds up to 3 seconds maximum. And in my opinion, this is the best way to get consistent and natural pauses within your speech. But it does take a little bit of time to kind of adjust and then change the amount of seconds you want the pause to be. But for some alternatives, you can just add an ellipses, which is the 3 dots, or you can add a dash or the EM dash, and even have multiple dashes in to have longer pauses. But again, some of these can be quite inconsistent. So the final thing you could do if you really want to have full control over your voice, so like the speed and the pauses, and in my opinion, what I think is like the best way, is to actually just bring it into another editor. So if I just generate this at a normal pace, let's just go to 1, and then we click generate speech.
Let's see what happens when I type some text into
The audio is 4 seconds, and if I click the download button, this is then downloaded to my computer. So now I'm just going to take this, head into Premiere Pro, and just drag it into the timeline. And now you can see I've actually got the audio waveforms. And in my opinion, this is like the best way to manipulate the audio. So if I just make this a little bit bigger, because we actually don't need the video, and I click G on the keyboard, and I'm just going to boost this by, let's just do 9 decibels, so I can see the waveforms a little bit better. Drag it out. And once I've done that, I just listen through.
Let's see what happens when I type some text into ElevenLabs.
So let's say I want to pause after ElevenLabs. I just take the cut tool, split it, and now I can drag these two apart and I've got a pause.
ElevenLabs and look to change the speed of the voice.
A reason why you might not want to do the pause this way is because if you use the break time syntax, it might sound a little bit more natural. But then for the speed, what you can do is you can also control it here. So if I hit Command R on my keyboard, I can actually adjust the speed. And what I want to make sure I do is I maintain the audio pitch. So I just click this one. And so let's say I want this to go 200 times faster. No, that would be way too much. But let's say I just decide to go to 120, have it a little bit quicker. Let's listen.
And look to change the speed of the voice.
As you can see, it's sped up. And yes, you can hear a little bit of an effect on it because we are processing this through Premiere Pro. But if you're using a better audio editing tool, you can get it sounding better while improving the speed. But that is how to speed your text-to-speech up with ElevenLabs' new speed control feature. I think this is super useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.